Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by grabbing a medkit fast because it heals 100 health and stops health drain. Open your inventory with the touchpad, highlight the medkit, and press X to place it into a quick slot so you can use it instantly. Once done, make sure you have 2 free inventory slots and aren't holding a weapon that blocks quick item use. That prevents accidental drops or inability to activate. This sets you up to use the item under pressure. You should activate the medkit from the quick slot during a safe window because it takes time to apply. Once ready, press triangle to start using it and immediately move behind cover to avoid incoming fire. Uptime matters. If enemies close in, press circle to cancel and sprint away. Remember, you won't get partial healing. Make sure to watch the animation and listen for audio cues. Those confirm the medkit finished and your health is restored to full. You finish by checking that your HP reads 100 and then follow up with shields as needed, because medkits only restore health, not shields. If the medkit gets interrupted by damage, immediately switch to faster options like bandages or a slurp to buy time while you find cover. If the medkit won't activate due to controller issues, rebind the quick slot button in settings and test it in the lobby. That troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.